What's your name, Mormon?
Norman, sir.
Oh, Norman. Oh, okay. Norman, my number is 502-265-3079.
Right, so again, sir, that would be 502-265-3079, correct?
Yes.
Thank you. And who am I speaking with again?
You are speaking to Nick Curcio. You're speaking to an unhappy Nick Curcio.
Okay, I see. Don't worry, I'll do my best to make you happy, alright? And are we calling for a specific extension number, Nick, or the whole account?
Oh, we're calling for the whole fandango.
Okay. So, how may I help you today, Nick?
Well, I need to know. I want to do a factory reset on my phone, which I paid for, and there's some kind of password on there, and I'd like to know what that is, please.
Okay. Before we proceed, may I have the answer for your security question,
Alexis.
please? Okay, thank you so much. So, you said earlier that you wanted to do a factory reset to your telephone, to your phone?
Yes, to all my phones.
May I know the reason why you wanted to reset them to the factory settings?
Yes, because your service sucks. Your service is horrible. You know what? I would be better off sticking my fucking head out the window, screaming across the country, than using your phones. I have lost more money in the last month than I have in the first 12 months of being in business. Horrible. Your service is horrible.
Okay, I really apologize for the inconvenience, Nick.
Okay, and now I'm trying to find another service that's better than yours, but no, I can't, because you're holding my phones hostage, like some kind of terrorist. Do you go to work with a gun and a mask?
Yes, definitely.
You do. And a little towel on the head, too? I want my phones. I want the passcode, and that's it.
Okay, let me check right here for you. May I at least know what specific issue we're experiencing with the telephone?
Yeah, people can't hear me talk. The only reason you can hear me is because I'm on my cell phone, paying more money.
Alright, before we even go to reset your telephone to the factory settings, would you allow me to help you? Would you please allow me to help you with this?
No.
Actually try to check.
No. No. No! I have already gone through all of your bullshit. I'm not doing it anymore. I want to be done with your company.
Alright, not a problem, sir. Let me check the password here for you, okay?
Yeah.
Please stay on the line, sir. Would it be fine if I would place you on hold for 2 to 3 minutes?
Yeah, that's what the last guy said, but sure, I got all day.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're so welcome.